Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. So click on Start Lab. Now just open the console incognito window. Now remove this unwanted pop-up and just click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. Click on Continue and just authorize yourself. Now let me increase the text size. Now in the description box, I've shared this repository. Just select it and paste over here. Now watch the video till the end, otherwise you won't be able to complete the lab or you'll also face some of the issues in between. So just stay tuned and wait for it to get completed, and after that we'll move forward to the main task. Now once here all things are done, click on this link. Now just come to the lab instructions and come to task number 1. From here simply scroll down a bit and just copy it. Copy the export name, add the description name, select the project ID, select the topic, and here we have to update the findings. All things are done successfully. Now simply save it. So finally it is successfully saved. Now just type Y and hit enter. Now after some time you'll see like this output is here. Now what we need to do, we need to click on this first link. Okay, now come to the first link, and from here just let me click on it. Click on add data. From here select cloud storage, and from here just select external BigQuery table. Now from here we have to just select our bucket file name, update it to this format, dataset, and for table just come over here, scroll down a bit. This is our table. Okay, so just copy the name, update it, update the table type, edit the schema, just paste over here. All things are correct, click on create table. Now once the table is created, okay, once the table is created, do one thing, try to check the score, and if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description. Now let's come over here, select the query, and just paste over here, and let's see whether it works or not. So here you can see we got the output. Okay, so let's see the score. If you're not getting score, you can wait for some more time because it takes around 10 plus minutes to complete. So let me just refresh the browser also. So you can see we completed the lab without any issue. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section.